What's up guys? So it's been a couple of days since I filmed part 1 of the unboxing video, and we're back here today to do part 2. So I think we should get right on that now. Alright, so let's get on with part 2 of the unboxing. I'm going to be starting with the biggest box. Most of the stuff I've already opened. So yeah, I'm just going to pick the parts up off the boxes because it's not going to fit on the camera shot right here. So first off, we have this oil filter sandwich plate that I got. It's not a relocation plate, but it's more of a oil filter sandwich plate, so I can mount an oil cooler and put my oil temperature sensor and oil pressure sensor as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be mounting this up soon, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. I also got a Nismo shift knob. It's brand new. I got it from Japan as well. Let's see here. Now this is a pretty good one. I'm gonna leave this here first. Probably gonna unbox that later. Something else. And this. Okay, so this came in a set. That's the same guy selling it on Yahoo Auction Japan quite a while back. I believe it was probably more than a year back. So I got this Nismo oil filler cap. It's brand new. As you can see, it still has the plastic wrapper over it to prevent it from getting scratched and stuff. And it already turned yellow, so that's how long it's been kept in the box. And I also got this Nismo radiator cap. So yeah. It's actually a Nismo logo version. It's the side indicator for the R33, and it's brand new. It's never been used, and yeah, it still has the box and everything. It's in good condition. It even has the original price tag here. So yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this in the box. These two magazines, my friend actually got it for me in Japan. I mentioned him in the first video. His name is Daniel. He went to Japan last year and he got me these two magazines because this one actually has the souvenir brochure inside. It's printed inside. Let me see if I can find it. It's printed on the back side of the magazine, and they reproduce the original brochure in magazine form, so you can just flip through it. It's the, if I'm not wrong, I think this is the S12, the one before the S13. So yeah. And this one he got me because my dad, back in the day, used to drive for CRX, and I've always liked the CRX. This one is a Cowboy magazine about the 180SX and the souvenir, and it has tons of information on it. I also got it because there's probably like old Nismo parts listed inside, as you can see, like the Nismo seat here, muffler, and some stuff. So yeah, and even this Nismo steering basket, which I'll be showing you in a minute. So that's that. Nismo catalogs, parts catalog that looks almost brand new, and this is how it came in, like that. The Japanese really, they really make sure that your item is not damaged during shipping or anything, so they wrapped it up pretty good. And we also have another Nismo catalog with the sports differential and some of the information inside as well, and even has this Nismo paper inside stapled to it. So yeah, another Nismo sports catalog, the parts catalog. So it has the steering wheel inside, some shift knobs, strut bars, and this I really love, and I hope I can find it in the future. It's the Nismo Auto Louver fog lamps. So it's pretty hard to find. I haven't seen one online at all. I've only seen these examples in other people's collection and stuff, and they even have like suspensions and other accessories like stickers, you know, floor mats, seat belt cushions, yeah. And another Nissan catalog for the Pulsar, which is, yeah, it has a lot of stuff inside, cranks, you know, carburetors, even has this paper from Nissan, yeah, that's one of it. And we've got a couple brochures in this packet here. It's a 180SX brochure. I believe there's a Silvia brochure at the back of it, and this one I'm not really sure. It's another brochure. So yeah, that's that. Here we also have some other parts catalog inside. There's two of them I believe. So one of them is this, and there's another Nismo spare parts catalog, or sport parts catalog, sorry. Yeah. So let me know if you guys want to see any of this in another video. I'll probably open them up and I'll show them on camera or something. And we also have another, yep, it's another parts catalog. You know, there's two of them inside, and the different Nismo catalogs available at the time. So yeah, I'm probably going to be trying to chase all of them down and keep them. So yeah. And this, if I remember correctly, I think it's the Nismo sticker. Okay, yeah, so it's the old logo Nismo sticker. Now I'm going to be using this to restore a couple of parts that I have. So that's why I bought this, and it's really good. I'm not sure if it's old stock or it's a reproduction, but it looks legit. So I'm assuming it's either a really good reproduction sticker or it's just some new old stock that someone found somewhere in Japan. It's Defi Advanced CD, the Club Sport package, because it comes with the water temp sensor, oil temp sensor, and oil pressure sensor, and that's really all that I need to keep track of how the car is doing. I have not installed this yet, so maybe we'll do a video about me installing this. I'm not sure because I don't know when I'll be installing it. So it comes with the warranty card, the instruction manuals, you know, controller, the advanced box. So yeah, it looks like this. So all your sensors actually plug in at the back, and it displays on the LCD screen itself. So yeah, and underneath all those, I think are probably all the harness and sensors that you need to get this unit working. I'm not going to be showing all those. I'll probably show that in another video when I'm doing the installations and whatnot. Alright, sorry guys, I didn't realize my memory card was full and it was cutting out. So yeah, let's continue with the unboxing. So that was the last thing I reviewed was the Defi ZD, and next is something not really car parts related but close enough. So I actually got this on a trip to Bangkok, Thailand, and I saw this in one of the shops and I really liked it because I've never seen it in a really long time, and I used to do model kits, so I think Tamiya actually reissued this model kit, and yeah, that's why I got it. It's really cool. Not sure if I'm gonna build it though, but it's just gonna it'll look nice either way on the shelf. So this is actually a switch for the side mirrors on S13 chassis, and I've been looking for this for a really long time. So for those of you out there, if you're familiar with this piece, you'll notice that it's a little bit different, and drop it down in the comments if you guys know what the difference is, but I'm gonna explain it anyways. So this button here is for the auto folding function on the side mirrors, and in the middle it's your adjustment button for the mirrors on the left and the right. You just flip it to the L side, which is the left, and then you can adjust the mirrors, and then likewise on the right. So, and last but not least, the last button here, if you guys know what this is, then yeah, it's actually a demister for the side mirrors, because I bought a set of side mirrors quite a while back, which is already on the car actually, but it didn't come with the controller for it and the button for the demister, and I managed to find it after a really long time. So I'm pretty excited to install this whole unit, getting everything working, including the auto folding function and the demister. So yeah, it's a really rare piece. It's an old logo Nismo piece, and I'm pretty sure most of you out there, if you follow old logo Nismo stuff, you know what it is, and it goes together with this piece right here. So that's actually a old logo Nismo horn pad for this wheel, which is actually a Nismo 365A steering wheel. It just goes on top like that. I'm assuming it's actually for people who wanted the steering wheel to look more OEM-like and give off a more OEM feel to it. That's why there's an option for this horn pad. So, and it comes with the Nismo horn as well. And I believe this is a Nismo Boss kit. I'm not really sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah. So the reason I got this wheel is because I really like the steering wheel, and it's really driver orientated because of the two buttons at the back. Those are actually horn buttons, so you don't have to take your hand off the wheel when you're driving to press the button, the horn button in the center. You just reach out the back, press the button, sound the horn, and just continue and be focused on driving and whatnot. So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I got this wheel as well. It's not in too bad a shape. There's a couple nicks and scratches on it. I mean, it's a pretty old steering wheel, but overall it's still in a very good condition. So yeah, that's that. And lastly, we come to this box, the last item in the big box of parts. This is, as you can all see, it's a Nismo part, and it's brand new. So yeah, it's actually a Nismo Boss kit, which I've not seen many. I've probably seen another one, but that one was used, and this one is the only one that I've seen so far that's brand new and unused. So yeah, see it's still shiny because it's not been used. I really love the Nismo Boss kit because you can have this texture here, this plastic covering, looks like a wrinkle paint finish, and at the back you have your plate, your contact plate, and two prongs for your return, signal return, couple wires inside, and comes with the instructions and hardware you need to mount your steering wheel on the Boss kit. So, and if I remember correctly, this Boss kit fits the R32, the S13s, the Sephiros, and a couple other models. They're all listed in the instruction manual. below, included in the kit. So yeah, that's pretty much most of the stuff and all of the stuff in the big box. So I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna pack all this up and prepare the other boxes for unboxing as well. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do another box or two because I think this video might be already too long because of the big box right there. But yeah, so this box I have not opened at all, so I don't even know what's inside. So we're gonna open it right now, and yeah, you're gonna see it as I do for the first time. Okay, so it's actually an old logo Nismo hubcap. If I remember correctly, most of it are actually in pretty decent condition, except for one or two of them. Can't really remember. Yeah. So there we have it. We have old logo Nismo hubcaps, and I'm gonna be trying to restore these, if not just keep them as they are, because they're pretty rare and old and you don't really find many of these anymore. So we have here the RGQs for all of the R34 Skyline GTR, all the different versions of it, and including JGTC Zanavi racing version. So first up we have here, which is the R-tuned Nissan Skyline GTR 34, and same thing, comes with the case, even lets you pop the hood so you can see the engine in it. And we have the other one, which is the S-tuned, same thing, Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. And we have the one everybody wants in real life, which is the Z-tuned, and yeah, same thing as well. And we have the sports resetting. This one I'm not really sure. I've seen a couple parts for the R34 which says they're sports resetting and stuff, so yeah, I'm probably gonna do some more research on what the sports resetting is. And last but not least, we have the Zanavi Nismo GTR 34, which was in the JGTC back in the day. So yeah. So this is gonna be the last box for this video, and I'll save the rest and one more special item for the final part of this video. Hopefully it's gonna be the final part because I've got one big box and a couple other boxes to open. So yeah, without further ado, these are the Type X tail lamps. I already have Type X tail lamps on my car. My friend hooked me up with these, and he sold them to me pretty cheap because I wanted to use these to do a project I have in mind. So you guys gotta stay tuned for that video. Okay guys, so that's it for part 2 of the video. I'm probably gonna do the rest of the boxes in part 3. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. But remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.